Welcome to Techlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add cell outline on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. From here open any document. After open any document, just select any cell and then right click on mouse. From here click on format cells, and after that you can see this window. From here just click on border option, and that's it. Now here you can find some border or outline categories, and you can choose any option as you like. If I select this double line outline and then click on outline and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see in my cell outline has been added successfully. Now if you want to change your outline color, just select it and then right click on mouse and go to format cells, then click on border, and here you can see color option and it's automatic now. Then just click here and that's it. From here choose any color. If I select red color and then click on outline again and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can add cell outline on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.